So I got my GoPro from Costco, as you may have seen in my other videos. And Costco had this bundle, it was a pretty good deal, and it has the camera and then a case and all these adapters and a strap, SD card, head strap, and a handle, which I'm using now. The only thing is, like, when I want to do something else and have two hands available, I have a tripod. Well, I can go buy a brand new tripod, but I don't want to spend that much money, so I ended up going to Goodwill and getting a tripod with the legs that go in and out, whatever else. I forget what that's called. Telescope legs? Anyway, so tripod, it works. But the only thing with this tripod is this mount is for a regular camera. So how do I get the GoPro to mount to this where it's secure? Well, because I'm using the mount that I have right now. So trying to figure out how to utilize this lever here and put the mount that you would mount the piece for the GoPro, right? So I took this apart before. I'll take it apart again. Unscrew this piece. See, this is why I need a tripod, so I can use two hands when I'm doing these projects for you all. So unscrew this screw. All right, so that comes off. Well, and you can see this is the hole for the screw, and this is the hole for a spring. Now the spring was in here, and it sprang out, and it's gone. So that would make it so this piece, when you had the regular camera, would unlock and lock and spring back into place. Well, I don't really need that spring, but it's gone anyway. So what I ended up doing is I took this off, and I took the tripod out of the vise, put this piece in the vise, and what I ended up doing, you can probably see it better on the white here, is I use my Dremel tool and cut into this portion of the lever, because it was like a slope. Now it's got a little notch right there. Okay, so I did that. And then I put it back together. So let's put this back together now. Like so. So now this still turns, right? There's no spring to it. It doesn't need to have a spring in theory. So now I have that part. So now I have this main mounting piece that you would use for mounting it to a helmet or the wand stick or whatever else with this bolt, right? So I want to use this on the tripod. So the back part here that you would use to flip up this little rubber piece fits exactly in this notch right here. So we have this sitting in here, and this lever that I modified, if I go unlock, it will fit. It did fit. There we go. Okay, so now it fits flush here. Okay, so then you would put the case around the GoPro in here, and then use the bolt to lock it in place and screw, right? So now with the Dremel that I did beneath this side here, if I turn this way into the lock position, then this will cover this front part of the GoPro mount. So let's try it. So we turn this, oh, come on. Turn this. It's tight, but I don't think it'll mess it up. So now this lever is on top of the GoPro mount. Now this thing won't go anywhere. So then if I take this out and I set up the tripod, and then I could have, this is a working tripod. So this tripod was what, $6 tax at the Goodwill. Put in working mount, brand new mount for my new GoPro, and now I can set this up and use two hands. Like this is golden. So the modification of this is permanent. You can probably see it there, that lip that I dremeled out. But I don't see myself needing the tripod for anything else. So I think this is a win. Hope this helps for in terms of like everyone else and set up their GoPro. I mean, people use the PVC pipes and all that stuff, but at least this looks somewhat professional, even though I'm nowhere near a professional. But I hope this helps for anyone out there. All right, folks. Thank you.